Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Dr. Emily Capolongo, and today I want to show you a really cool strategy that I use when I am working with some high support needs learners on body autonomy, reporting to a safe person, and even private body parts. So let's get into it. As you can see, I have this really nifty apron on. And this is one of my favorite tools when I am teaching high support needs learners on those 3 areas. So I got this strategy from my previous professor who had a young adult daughter with a vision impairment and was just a high support needs learner. Now, her daughter unfortunately experienced a lot of sexual abuse in her group home. So my professor knew that she needed to come up with a way to teach her daughter of how to report something to a safe person if any of that occurs. But before she could do that, she also needed to teach her daughter that, hey, these are private areas that are completely off limits. And if anybody touches those private areas without your consent, you need to report them. So this strategy was very successful with her daughter, and she was able to actually report some cases of sexual abuse. Now, I have used this strategy with my students as well in the classroom, and it is a really awesome tool to help our students conceptualize these concepts. So what you do is you put aprons on your student or on your youth, and you're just using very simple language of this apron. It is covering all of your private areas. And if anybody ever touches anything that is under this apron, you need to report it to a safe person. And this conversation can then lead into talking about consent and then also identifying who is a safe person. So this is a really great tool that I would recommend kind of doing at the start. It's a great way to kind of start diving deep into sexual health education for our students because it is pretty engaging, it's hands-on, and you can really start a lot of great discussions with your youth. Follow along because we are going to keep talking about different strategies that you can use when you are supporting your youth's sexual health education.